Halloween. Pumpkin. We carved a spooky face into the pumpkin for Halloween. Ghost. I saw a ghost last night. Costume. She wore a pumpkin costume for the party. Candy. Kids love to collect candy on Halloween night. Monster. The children dressed up as monsters for Halloween. Spider. There was a big spider hanging from the ceiling. Witch. The witch flew on her broomstick during the Halloween parade. Skeleton. A skeleton decoration hung on the front door. Vampire. The vampire had sharp fangs and a cape. Broomstick. The witch rode her broomstick over the village. Cemetery. The old cemetery was filled with eerie tombstones. Mummy. The museum had an exhibit on ancient mummies. Bats. Bats are often associated with Halloween. Zombie. The movie featured a horde of zombies. Blood. The haunted house had fake blood on the walls. Cobweb. The attic was covered in cobwebs. Jack-o'-lantern. We lit a candle inside the jack-o'-lantern. Scarecrow. The scarecrow stood guard in the pumpkin patch. Howl. The wolf began to howl at the moon.